Hello, and welcome to this month's Takamals Tale of 12 Hearts developer update. This update will be a pretty short one, as there's only one feature for me to showcase, but at the end of that, I'll be previewing the next 4 chapters as well as the release date for those next 4 chapters. So let's just hop right into it. So the feature that I'm going to be showcasing today is the ability to transfer save files between devices. This also works cross-platform as well, so Windows PC and Android, and vice versa. So you can transfer between any of the devices capable of playing Takamals Tale of 12 Hearts. So this is useful if you've got a new phone and you want to transfer over your save file to your new phone, or you've been starting to play the PC version and want to start playing on your mobile version, or vice versa. So I'll just show you how that works. So right now I'm on my phone, my Android phone. If I go into settings, you'll see that there's a new button there to transfer save file. So I'm just going to click on that. Now I'll bring you to this screen where I'll explain about how it's going to work and what to do to prepare for this. You are going to need to have your devices connected to the same internet network, as that's the means of transferring the data between the devices, as well as if you're on a Windows device, to enable the application to communicate through your firewall. Now, on my phone, I'm going to be receiving a save file from my computer. So on my phone, I'm going to press, I want to receive a save file from another device. Okay, you see here that we are brought to another screen with outlining a bunch of steps. So the way this is going to work is that you can see that in the blue here, we have a code. Now this is the code unique to your device, and this will be allowing us to specify which device we want to send the save file to from our other device. So we'll make note of that, but that will be used later. So in order to start receiving, let's actually go to our computer and see what the sender part looks like. So if we go, here I am on the PC version of Takamals, and I've got a save file here that I want to transfer. So we'll go into the settings again, and then the transfer save file. This time we're going to select I want to send my save file to another device. And then again, it brings up these instructions. The sender is pretty self-explanatory. So remember that code in blue that I was talking about? This is where we're going to enter it. So this will be displayed on the device you want to receive the save file from. So just enter the code there. And now before we send, we actually have to go back to our phone here, the receiving device, and press Start Receiving. So once the receiving process begins, you are not going to be able to cancel the operation, and if the transfer is successful, the current save file on this device will be overwritten. The save file on the device that's being sent will not be affected, of course. And then we say OK to proceed. Now it's going to say waiting for connection. Back onto the PC, send save file, and boom, it says transfer was successful. If we look back on our phone, we can see this message here, successfully received save file, and you can see that it displays the name of the player, the chapter they're on, all the stuff that you would normally see, as well as their party of Takamals. So in order for the save file to be properly loaded, the game needs to be restarted, and you'll be prompted to do that with this exit button. So let's do that. And we restart, boot up the game again, and then we should see that the save file has been restored. And indeed it is. So that's pretty much it in terms of the new features in this update, aside from the new chapters. So let's get into that. So I'll display on the screen here the titles of the next 4 chapters, as well as the release date. The next 4 chapters will be released on July 14th, at the same time for both Android and PC, of course. And for sticking to the end of this video, I'm proud to say that there is another exclusive gift, only available 24 hours, and if you've played through Chapter 4, I think you'll be surprised. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the second release, the second beta release coming on July 14th. This is going to be the last developer update for Takamals. I'll see you next when the full game is released. There might be some previews for that, but nothing formal.